Alright, we're good.
Alright, cool. Clear right, no traffic. Clear left, no traffic. They're on the downwind.
Lowest traffic, Sky 172 Hotel Golf, depart runway 9, going to be departing the area to the west, right turn now, close.
Alright, now it's going to heat up in here pretty quick, so we're going to have to set runway 9er. G5 coming up. Climbing out at 74. Alright, you can turn on the noise canceling now.
614 is left base, runway 9er, stop and go, Lewis.
Chicago approach, Skyhawk 172 Hotel Golf, off of Lewis with VFR with request.
November 172 Hotel Golf, roger, the VFR request.
Affirm, we'd like to request a practice IFR approach into Midway and then flight following along the shoreline for 172 Hotel Golf.
November 2 Hotel Golf, reset transponders for 5153, Midway altimeter 3052.
5153 and then 3012, you said, correct, for 172 Hotel Golf?
Affirmative. November 172 Hotel Golf, radar contact 3 miles west Louis Airport, altitude indicates 2,500. You said you're Skyhawk?
Affirmative.
Roger, and you want to do an IFR approach into Midway?
Yeah, we just like to practice ILS or RNAV approach if possible.
Okay, you want to do a practice VFR ILS before race?
Affirmative.
Okay, thanks. I just wanted to make sure you weren't looking for an IFR clearance.
My apologies, my confusing.
Maintain 2,500.
2,500, south 1948.
Expecting full right, Southwest 5763.
November 172 Hotel Golf, information Lima current at Midway Airport, turn left heading 130.
130, we'll get Lima for 2 Hotel Golf.
Southwest 1948, field off your right and 8 miles, speed to your discretion.
Speed our discretion, looking for the field, south 1948.
Southwest 5763, flighting 290.
290 heading Southwest 5763.
November 172 Hotel Golf, maintain VFR 2,500.
2,500 VFR for 2 Hotel Golf. 2 Hotel Golf has Lima.
November 172 Hotel Golf, roger, turn left heading 090.
090 for 2 Hotel Golf.
November 172 Hotel Golf, turn left heading 070, intercept below advisor.
070, intercept the look button for 2 Hotel Golf.
Number 2 Hotel Golf, I know we just put you on the low flies. We're going to send you back out just to get 3 more arrivals in ahead of you. Fly heading 090, 2 Hotel Golf.
090 for 2 Hotel Golf.
He's going to be turning to the right now.
Number 2 Hotel Golf, turn left heading 330.
330 for 2 Hotel Golf.
Number 2 Hotel Golf, there's going to be one more 737 off your right wing and behind. Make it 4 o'clock at about 3 miles on the base. Like they'll beat you in there. I'll have you turn to join final here in a moment.
Alright, I got that traffic at 4 o'clock in sight for 2 Hotel Golf.
Next time is 378, maintain 170 knots. Follow your company.
Four is right here.
Turning 4 right.
Alright, so I got 1737 on final, 1737 on the base.
November 2 Hotel Golf, fly heading 070, intercept 4 right.
070, intercept 4 right for 2 Hotel Golf.
Thanks.
We blew through the localizer where he's going to bring us back
Hotel
in.
Golf is 1 mile from Caden, practice approach is approved, stay VFR.
Practice approach for stay VFR, and are we able to do a stop and go possible?
You make the request at the tower.
Alright, we'll do 2 Hotel Golf.
South 378, thanks for help, call the tower 1352.
Alright, descent checklist power.
2219,
sure.
Chicago Center 13335.
33.
Altimeters. Altitude.
Hotel Golf, maintain your best forward speed in, and you can call the tower now on 135.2, make your request with them.
135.2, as fast as I can for 2 Hotel Golf.
Extensive.
Tip.
5268, you can stay with me, join Yankee, cross all the 31, back 4 right, just for planning purposes. It'll probably be, if you want to continue, it'll probably just be going out and doing ILS approaches, if that works for you. We got a kind of an arrival push, and so we're pushing across one runway for departures.
Alright, that's fine. We'll plan the approaches, and Yankee cross all the 31s down to 4 right for jet speed 268.
Alright.
Midway Tower, Sky 172, Hotel Golf on practice, ILS 4 right, requesting touch or stop and go for 2 Hotel Golf.
2 Hotel Golf, stand by.
Probably have a side step to 4 left because the 737s can't use that.
Number 2 Hotel Golf, Midway Tower, runway 4 right, cleared, stop and go, and on departure will be northeastbound VFR.
On departure, northeastbound VFR, yeah, we would just like to flight following for the Skyline if possible. 2 Hotel Golf.
2 Hotel Golf, roger.
Wow, you got it. These guys are so nice to the Lewis guys. It's crazy.
Yeah, that's nuts.
Southwest,
Heading lights
111,
on.
Fremont final, turn right 09031 center, clear for takeoff.
Right heading 031, center, clear for takeoff, Southwest 111.
Alright, so we got the one that's going to be departing 31 center, the
2
opposite
Hotel
runway.
Golf, traffic park across runway.
We'll do 2 Hotel Golf.
Alright, so I see him rolling. Traffic above us. Traffic in front of us. We're doing 130 knots on the way in. Yeah, it's going to get a little bumpy because of all the 737s. We're going to start reducing airspeed. While the pilot's handling it well.
Southwest 111, contact, departure ship.
Surgeon departure, Southwest 111.
There is flaps. Pilot disengage. He did say he cleared stop and go.
Minimums.
20 degrees flaps. Yeah, we'll go 30. We're going to want to get down quick and get out of here quick. Bottom line.
3427 is ready to 3 hands at 31 center.
3427, Midway Tower, 31 center, line for wind.
31 center, line for wind, Southwest 3427.
Alright, stopping. Flaps up. Full stop. Here we go. Takeoff trim. Flaps are up. And they're holding short. Excellent. 55, rotate. 737 holding for us. Multiple.
Southwest 3427, left on a 6 mile final across runway, turn right 13031 center, clear for takeoff.
Right turn heading on 13031 center, clear takeoff, Southwest 3427. Tower engine moving altitude for 2 Hotel Golf.
Total Golf, better below 2000.
They're below 2 for 2 Hotel Golf.
So we're going to actually go down to 1800. So over there is Gary.
So how far is Gary?
Gary is...
So off the flight following, head back over to approach on 127.87.
127.87 for 2 Hotel Golf.
127.87.
So 89, right turn to ground.
Right turn over ground, so 89.
Chicago approach, Skyline 172 Hotel Golf.
Flexor.
You say?
Flexor.
Engine here.
Delaware 2 Hotel Golf, go ahead.
2 Hotel Golf, we request a flight following along the lakefront if possible.
2 Hotel Golf, thanks. Radar contact about 7 east of Midway, altimeter 3052, and are you heading north or south?
We're going to head north and then we're just going to flip around 10 south and we'd like to transition Midway's airspace back to Lewis for planning.
November 2 Hotel Golf, Rogers. Maintain VFR at the Bravo for now.
TFR outside the Bravo 2 Hotel Golf, and that the Wrigley TFR is expired, correct?
I believe so, yeah. We don't really do anything with the Wrigley TFRs around here.
Alright, just double checking. It was expired. It was set to expire at 7:20, so just want to make sure they didn't extend it or anything.
Line 931 November, turn left heading of 330, intercept 30 localizer.
You got pictures back there?
Oh yeah.
It's going to be blurry.
Line 931 November, contact
Oh,
Gary
yeah.
Tower on 125.6.
125.6 on line through and over. The GoPro back there running?
Yeah, it's going.
Ashton Red?
Yep.
Cool. Thank you.
Yep. You got like 2 hours left on the feed too, so you should be solid.
The battery will die first.
Probably.
For sure.
Definitely.
As long as it's getting the short, as long as it's getting the Skyline, I don't care.
I'm getting it too on my phone, so I can
Excellent.
send it.
We're not going to even bother with that Wrigley TFR. So I'm going to make a right turn away. Crib? Maybe, because that's a crib there. Gotta be a freighter. Yeah, that's gotta be a freighter. I don't see those very often. Reduced visibility out here, I can tell you that much. Still more than 10 miles for sure. But this is what's called a black hole approach. You can't see how high the water is. Look kind of familiar? Or kind of makes sense now when they say it's a black hole approach?
Oh yeah, no, definitely.
You can't see how high you are. Your bright lights going off till 1 o'clock?
Oh yeah.
Move this wing spot
It's perfect for the pictures. It tells everybody that you were in an airplane with your son.
Gotta love it.
My phone takes horrible pictures at night for when it's in Snapchat, so.
Number 2 Hotel Golf, so we know you're heading back southwest when you're working out with Midway, you cut through Charlie.
Well, we're right outside the Charlie. We'll let you know. We'll be here in like a minute or 2.
Okay.
Departure Southwest 2042 at a 2 for 3.
South 2042, shall go to departure, your radar contact, climb maintain 6,000.
6,000 Southwest 2042 and a right hand turn to 130.
Thank you.
Approach 2 Hotel Golf, we're going to do another north-south run on the Skyline, then we'll head back.
I'm sorry, that's 2 Hotel Golf on, someone's in my ear, say it again.
2 Hotel Golf is just going to do another north-south on the shoreline, then we'll head back.
Okay, sounds good. Alright, 2 Hotel Golf, you turn around, there is some trailer talking to Midway already at 2,100, there's 2 o'clock and about 3 miles.
2 o'clock and 3 miles? We're looking for 2 Hotel Golf. I'm assuming it's these guys.
I know it's a good idea to get flight following doing the shoreline. Do you have to?
No. I did it over COVID when there was literally no one up in one of the planes from Lansing with one of my friends. And it was, I had no issues with it. We were the only ones out here.
Okay, yeah, I wasn't sure. I mean,
Yeah.
I've done it before, but I know it's recommended.
Yeah. Well, there's the lake, the little bit of the lakefront chop that I was expecting.
The waves aren't too bad, though.
No. Alright, they're going to be 400 foot above us. 2 Hotel Golf. I believe we have that traffic in sight. It's 3-4 Whiskey, correct?
Let's see, yep, 3-4 Whiskey is the golf now.
Yeah, we got it in sight. 2 Hotel Golf.
Chicago Center line through November 2000.
You can see the hangars and the old tower down in Biggs.
Radar contact, reset transponder, squawk 6237. 6237, line through November. Line 3 number, thanks, you're clear to Charlie Mike India via radar vectors for now. Fly heading of 210, fly maintain 6,000. Chicago Southwest 2163 with at a 2 for 3,000. There's 210, climb maintain 6,000 at line 3 number. Line 3 number, thanks, readback is correct. That was 2163, so I'm going to park
go around the backside.
Climb maintain 12,000. Alright, up to 12,000 now, Southwest 2163.
We're going to go around the backside this time. We're just going to go around the land side. Keep it on the left side this time. Beautiful. There's 700 above us, behind us, so I'm just going to 800 above us, behind us now.
Southwest 2163, go direct to Den. Direct to Den, Southwest 2163. Line 3 on November, go direct to Charlie Mike India, the center's on 132.5. Clear direct, Charlie Mike India, contact center 132.5, line 3 on November.
Alright, they're above us, and so I won't be able to see them. They're too close to be able to us, so for me to see. That TFR did, and you're good to go through it if we need to, which I plan on it. This traffic where it is, I don't want to push it. I got them in sight. Looks like they're making a left-hand turn. How do banner planes fly?
Vectors above, there's traffic at,
they can't. Well, they can get a permission to fly through from these guys.
800 we're talking to.
For me.
Vectors above, there's traffic at 4 miles northwest via Cherokee Southeastbound at 1,800 we're talking to. Number 2 Hotel Golf, you talk to the traffic.
I see that traffic from 2 Hotel Golf. Sorry about that. Was important.
Sure. South 2163 centers 12012. 2012, good day, Southwest 2163. Alright.
everybody wants to turn around at the same point, because that's what that Cherokee did. That was talking to Midway.
Departure Southwest 963 is with you. We're passing 2.5 for 3,000. South 963 Chicago departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 12,000.
Climb to 12,000, Southwest 963.
Beautiful.
Yeah, this is awesome.
6 Tango 2, they call the tower 120.9er.
I think it looks better than night.
It does, for sure.
South 963, turn right direct in.
Again, this is only the second time I've ever done it, so.
Southwest 963.
First time was daytime.
Yeah, same here.
Oh, you've done it before?
Yeah, I've done it, friend at Lansing with the Bonanza.
Yeah.
It was only during the day. It looks so much better at night.
Yeah. Alright, so we got a train following us now. We got the 2 guys behind us. On the ASB here. We have that up here. I gotta zoom out to see him. It's okay, don't mess with that. I need to see 2 miles out anyway. That's a real concern. Approach 2 Hotel Golf is right, head back. Transition Midway airspace.
North Golf, just stay in that area for now. Stay outside the Charlie until I can get a hold of them, or I can have them, or you call them. But just stay with me for 1 sec.
All right, we'll just stay along the shoreline now. We'll see what they're going.
2 Golf, they already took the handoff. You can connect Midway Tower on 135.2 with your request. 35.2 with your request.
35.2 for my request for 2 Hotel Golf. Thanks for the help.
South 963, connect.
Tower Sky 172 Hotel Golf, link permission to transition the airspace directly to Oscar Tango or with Lakeshore.
Number 172 Hotel Golf, Midway Tower, wind, correction, Midway altimeter is 3052, maintain VFR air below 2001 Midway Crest Charlie, and proceed on course.
Proceed on course for 2 Hotel Golf. This place, right?
Number 2 Hotel Golf, do you plan to pass over midfield, or are you going to remain southeast of the airport?
We'll do whatever you want. We just want to head back to Lewis with whatever's convenient for you.
2 Hotel Golf, Roger, and pass over midfield from east to west at or above 1,200, and then proceed directly.
1,200 directly for 2 Hotel Golf. And Big Tower, Police 1, like to work 3 to 7 east of the field.
Police Copter 1, proceed on course. Traffic is 5 miles northeast, your position southwestbound. The Cessna at 1,900.
Yep, we've got traffic, maintaining visual separation.
Got them.
Police Copter 1, thank you. November 2 Hotel Golf, traffic 12 o'clock and 4 miles, eastbound helicopter at 1,300. They have you in sight.
In sight here, 2 Hotel Golf.
Yeah, English.
2145, contact departure, good night.
I got that approach traffic here.
Good departure. We've had that one for. There goes at 7:37. Holy cow, he's on the move. He'll be rotating before the 4 left. My bad. Rotating and oh man, he's using a lot of runway. Oh no. Oh, he's off. Oh.
Hey, you pay for the whole runway, might as well use it.
I would. I'd be puckering right there.
He's heavy.
Allegiance.
Up at 1487, contact Chicago departure now on
Just see a blue.
119.35. Good night.
Below 1935. Good night. Southwest 1487.
Yeah, mostly
34
southwest.
Whiskey traffic departs and holds in position on runway 31 center, runway 4 right, clear to land.
Look over the traffic, 4 right, clear land, drink exposed. Tower 2 Hotel Golf, can we request a frequency change?
2 Hotel Golf, affirmative, air service terminated, squawk VFR, frequency change is approved.
Squawk VFR for condition improved. Thanks for the help tonight. 2 Hotel Golf.
Good night. Southwest 4471 Midway Tower, turn left heading 250, runway 31 center, clear for takeoff.
Lewis traffic, 172 Hotel Golf is 8 miles to the northeast. Could be maneuvering for the left downwind 45 for runway 27 close, or runway 9er close. Lewis traffic, Sky 172 Hotel Golf is on 3 mile 45 for left downwind runway 9er, Lewis. Lewis traffic, Sky 172 Hotel Golf is on the left downwind runway 9er, stop and go, Lewis. Degrees and flaps, turn to base. Lewis traffic, Sky 172 Hotel Golf, turn left base, runway 27 plus. Yeah, so he's going to be building on the other side of these apartments here, I guess. Lewis traffic, Sky 172 Hotel Golf, turn final runway 9er, full, stop and go. Lewis. 30 degrees. And we're high, but I like to be high because these dang warehouses. Hang light on. David's off. David's new property is right there on the right. On glide slope.
Minimums.
Put
Minimums.
low. We got the minimum put in for Midway. Not my smoothest, but I'll take it. .220 is here. So we're gonna make a right. Actually, I can make a stop and go. What am I doing? Alright.
So why do you only need 2 landings? I thought you.
I did the third one at Midway.
Oh, okay. Never mind.
That's awesome to be able to get a stop and go at Midway.
Lewis traffic, Sky 172 Hotel Golf is on the go, runway 9er, foot. I've never taxied back at Midway.
That would be a pain.
I've been to Midway 4 times? 4 or 5 times now.
That was my first. That was awesome.
Yeah, I mean, you just gotta be nice and you gotta time it right. That timing, that was a little timing was a little off. Lewis traffic, Sky 172 Hotel Golf, turn final runway 9er, full stop, Lewis. Almost on Lansing. Alright, looking for about 65 knots here. We got 30 degrees of flaps coming in now. Want to stay on that glide slope.
You got 3 whites.
A little bit high. Now we're in glide slope. Yeah. Adding a little bit of power. We want to keep that airspeed and we want to keep that out.
Minimums. Minimums.
Yeah, I know. I can see the runway. I hope I can see the runway. Otherwise, I would be in some deep.
Not a cloud in sight.
Insight is the key word.
full flaps. I'll try to make this one a little bit softer. That was a little worse.
It's my weight in the back.
Yeah. It's been a long time since I've flown with 3 people in the airplane.
But reverse.
Wish. Alright. Airplane checklist, park brake set, throttle is at 1,000, electrical equipment is off. Bus 1, bus 2.
Mixture.